UST fans trying to rev up their squad as the Tigresses are aiming to pull away here. Jack Alarca, the MVP, reigning MVP, but no longer playing as she has already used up her years of eligibility in the tournament. Still supporting LaSalle though. Saw a lot of supporters actually a while ago. Of course. De Los Santos also here.
Micah Ortiz, look at this. Again, iba yung running spike ni Micah Ortiz for this match. Nakita natin she probably tweaked that attack during the break, and now she really winds up pretty well. Gives it really a good, you know, the backswing is really good in that running spike of her.
Error there for UST. Leads to this serve by Michelle Gumabao. Very important set for both these squads, and another service error for De La Salle University. What is going through the mind of Coach Ramil De Jesus right now?
You sound like a broken record already.
Or what is going through the minds of the LaSalle players, for that matter, when they are serving that volleyball?
Kathleen Harry. Oh, I think it's Esperanza. She's guilty of that net ball.
And early on, Coach Ramil De Jesus does not like what he is seeing. He calls timeout.
Nandiyan gumigil kayo, wala ka sa pwesto eh. Diba? Nakikita ng cross, magang walang dumating na bola, huwag mo abutin. Ang layo eh. Nakapihit yung katawan eh, pinipilit mo abutin. Hindi ka naman 6-footer para maabot mo yan. Pag hindi dinisan, hindi mo maabot talaga yan. Diba? Tingnan mo na yung dimidepensa. Kaya, asan dimidepensa yung kalaban nyo? Yung dimidepensa ng kalaban nyo, yan nag-aantay na palo. Palo.
Right, and I definitely agree with Coach Ramil. Nakatapat na yung mga depensa ng USC sa pinapalo ng De La Salle. It's like he's telling the girls, read the defense of your opponent. You can't just be jumping up and hitting it the way you want to. And dun yung depensa nakaabang, so it really doesn't, you know, help you in any way. It's just that you're making it easy for the defense of UST to set up a play and go for the offense in the exchange. So sabi niya, you gotta read the defense and make sure. Kita mo ito, pinalitan niya yung setter. Esperanza's really had her problems for this match. She's been very, very predictable. So this change up in... Oh!
What an emphatic kill there. Let's watch it one more time. Coming out of nowhere, Judy Caballejo.
And that really was made possible by the running spike of Ortiz, because two of the blockers went with Ortiz, and suddenly Di Macalangan just flips it to the middle. Ayun, libreng-libre si Caballejo.
Great execution by UST there. And now UST has built their biggest lead of the ball game. It's an 8-point advantage for the UST Tigresses.
Right on the line again.
Still serving for UST.
Reyes.
Coach Ramil has sent in some ladies off the bench in this very crucial third set. And that's going to be an error. UST asking for a touch. They won't get it. Point for LaSalle. But as I mentioned, Coach Ramil trying to instill some confidence and trusting his ladies off the bench. As you mentioned a while ago, Esperanza out of sync. And that is why Coach Ramil sending in the other players to come in.
Garvin, of course, the reserve setter from Hope Christian High School, now in charge of setting up the plays for De La Salle.
Tatlong Hari also off the bench here, along with Denise Tan. That's another point for UST.
Reyes just finding a way. Against Jack Cruz, she was not in a good position, but still using her head, getting it off the block, or pushing it off the block of Cha.
Garbin to Maraño.
Too low, that's too low.
And Reyes continues to show her potential. And UST fans are loving it.
Vamos, Tigers.
And these fans have been waiting a long time to celebrate a victory against LaSalle. It has been almost 2 years since they last defeated this team. Maraño, and despite not being 100%, Abigail Maraño still showing a lot of heart.
That's right, that's right. She's signaling to everyone, puso, puso. You gotta have the heart. We're down by 7 points in this set, but don't give up.
Jack Cruz was the catalyst in that set number 2, but another service error there. 16-8, UST in control.